ಅನುವರದ ಭೂಮಿಯೊಳು ಬಿದ್ದ ಹೆಣಗಳ ದಾಟಿ ಅನುವರದ ಭೂಮಿಯೊಳು ಬಿದ್ದ ಹೆಣಗಳ ದಾಟಿ ಘನರದ ಶ್ವಂಗಳು ಹತ್ತಿ ಇಳಿದು ಬಳಲುತ್ತ ಹನುಮಂತನವು ದೂರದಿ ಕಂಡು ಹನುಮಂತನವು ದೂರದಿ ಕಂಡು ಹತ್ತಿರ ಕೈದಾಗ ಹಿಂದೆಂದ
Swami Ramachandra has sent me to this battlefield, but I had a lot of difficulty in crossing the dead power. I see the broken chariots, dead elephants, not riding horses. Blood is flowing like a river. I am tired. Are you hiding somewhere? Without you, my energy is lost. Energy is lost. I have no energy. I have this much only energy to say. I have no more energy. Hanuma, why you? Who is that? Who is that? My Hanuma. Oh dear Hanuma. Valiant Hanuma. Brave Hanuma. Courageous Hanuma. Oh Hanuma. Your dear Jambava is here.
ಕೇಳು ಮರುದ ಮಜನೆಯುವುದಿನ ಕೇಳು ಮರುದ ಮಜನೆಯುವುದಿನ ಕಳಗದಿ ಕಳಬೇರಿದ ಪರಿಯ
enthusiastic Hanuma, energetic Hanuma.
Earlier,
what happened to you?
not now.
My God, it doesn't look good on you. Your and my Sri Ramachandra has asked me to look for you, see your welfare, and also report about the events of the warfare. So, I'm astonished to see that you are dull, not your original Hanuman. What happened to you? Tell me the reason.
Oh, Jambava Deva, please hear my tragic story.
ಜಾಂಬವ ದೇವ ಕೇಳಯ್ಯ ಕೂಳ ಜಂಬಾರಿ ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೈಯ ಸಂಭ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾದಿ ಇಂಬುಗಾಣದೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಉಂಬಿನಿ ಜಯದಲು ಕೆಳಗಿ ತಪ್ಪಿರಿಕೊಂಡ ಜಾಂಬವ ದೇವ ಕೇಳಯ್ಯ.
Tell me, Jambava Deva.
Yes,
You are my guide and the mentor.
people call me so.
And you have guided me many a times.
You took my wisdom.
Lead me to Yashoda.
Yes.
But
But what happened, Hanuman?
today I feel you should have accompanied me to the battle.
To the war field with my age.
Yes.
I have only wisdom, no
Yes.
courage.
That rogue Indrajitu confronted me. Probably
Huh.
I myself might have instigated his
Huh.
anger or provoked his anger.
You are
What he
facing a
did?
misfortune.
Yeah.
What happened?
He, unable to bear the loss, defeat at my hands in the battlefield,
Very good.
to avenge the insult, she started straight to Ashokavan and dragged my mother, Sita Mata,
What? What?
to the battlefield.
Tell me again.
And before I could do anything, she just
Sita is no more.
cut,
What you tell
cut
me?
through her neck. Oh,
No.
I wanted to punish him, but the rogue escaped from my sight.
You should have given blows to him.
Yes, but
What
you see,
happened to your courage?
before I could realize what's happening, he just flew away from my sight. But I have decided now not to see my Lord Sri Ramachandra's face again.
My dear Hanuma, if you feel our divine Sita Mata is no more, was it not your responsibility to inform our Sri Lord Ramachandra Sita Devi is no more available?
Yes.
Have you not failed?
Yes,
You should have
I
done it.
wanted to do so, but
But
at the very sight of that or hearing that bad news, what you would have done to me?
what?
I'll
have
be
only
this
encouraged
ardent
you.
devotee.
No.
Do you think that he would have forgiven me for that? No, now I have decided. Without killing that Indrajitu, by this evening, I would not return to Sri Ramachandra. Now, I ask you not to disturb me.
No.
Please go away.
No.
Let me sit here for some
Hanuma, you
time.
are acting.
And
ಜಗದ ಜೀವನ ಸೂನು ನಿನಗೆ ಆ ಜಗದ ಜೀವನ ಸೋದು ನಿನಗೆ ಈ ಬಗೆಯ ಪಂಥವು ಯಾಕೆ ಹೋಗುವ ಕಂಬನಿ ತೊಡೆದು ಜಾಮವ ತೊಗುವ ಕಂಬನಿ ತೊಡೆದು ಜಾಮವ ಮಗುಳೆ ನುಡಿದ
I feel like laughing. Pavanaputra, you are Ramaduta.
son of that
Hanumanta,
Vayu.
you have been deluded. You've been not thinking so really, you lost your head.
Do you think so?
Yes. What has happened to your courageous body and you are a mighty warrior? You used to kill and kick all the demons.
I have failed to recognize that is
Yes.
a delusion.
If it were to be really happening,
Real?
Indrajitu is a demon.
True.
That demon, all the demons are capable of throwing their tantrum tactics. They're master
Sorcery. They can
magicians.
play sorcery, you mean?
Yes, he must have played a trick on you.
Really?
If Sita Mata is really dead,
She's there. Look there.
no, I
at
have
that.
seen
She-
her.
I
I have seen
confirmed
her.
her. She is no more.
Wait. If Sita Mata can be touched by anybody, they will turn into ashes. She is divine Pativrata, how can anybody dare to touch her? Forget about even killing. Impossible.
It did strike me, but
You have lost your head. Your only body weight.
It is hard to believe, but
Come, we'll check. We'll check and see whether it's real Sita.
I'm not there enough to look at it.
No.
Please,
Be courageous. I'll check and come back. Wait, don't run away, don't hide, don't kid. I'll see and come back. Yes. Hanuma.
ಮರುತಸುಗದು ಜ್ಞಾನಿ ನಿನಗಿ ಮರುಳು ಯಾಕೈ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆಯ ನಿರತವೋ ಕುಸಿ ಎಂಬ ಬಗೆಗಳ ಅರಿವುದೆಂದು
You think it is real?
yes.
He's thrown a delusion on you and he has made you fool. Yes,
He strike that heart once again.
yes. Because I have checked Sita Mata. You see all these fellows in front of us in the war field, all dead fellows. You see their eyes either closed
Some may be sleeping also.
with the mouth open, and some even with the eyes closed, they are looking dead. But our Sita Mata, come and see again. See her eyes. Blood is flowing.
Surprising.
Eyes are open, close, open,
Blinking,
close,
blinking.
open, close.
Yes, blinking.
Come, I've got a trick now. You know Sita Mata more, or Lord Sri Rama knows more?
Of course, my Lord Sri Ramachandra.
Is it not? So, I have a bright idea.
What is that?
You have a body weight, you have head light. I have head weight. We'll carry her.
I can make out. You have that weight.
I have no strength like you, Hanuma. Do one thing. We carry her to Sri Ramachandra. Who will decide? Who knows Sita is real or fake?
Yes.
Come.
Yes.
But before that,
But we have to. How to carry her now? You have to lift her.
you have to carry. I am weak. You are strong.
One
No.
cannot carry her.
We both of us will carry. Then we compromise. Why fight on this flight? Come here again. A secret I'll tell you. Come. When we take the body of Sita, we have to keep our mouth because if Lord Sri Rama cries we also cry If she feels that he has thrown a tantrum, it's fake.
You are a clever. Even at this age, your
Yes.
mind works
You
beautifully.
carry the head and
Yes.
trunk.
Yes.
I'll be at the body side.
I being the stronger, it would be nice on my part to carry from
Yes.
this side.
Yes.
Yes, shall we lift her?
Wait.
What happened?
One more doubt.
Back pain.
Not back pain. You know I am elderly to Sita.
No doubt.
Age-wise.
No doubt.
How can I touch her feet? Yeah, I cannot. She's younger to me.
True. You cannot touch her feet.
No.
It's younger to you.
No.
That is true.
So, you carry the
Anyway,
foot.
she is my like mother. I don't mind carrying her, holding at the feet.
Don't feel I am only for carrying the dead body.
Yes, I am there.
Let's go. Rama, Rama.
ಅರೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಮೂರ್ಛೆಯೊಳರಗಿ ಚೇತರಿದುತ್ತಾಗಲೇ ಸತಿಯ ತೊಡೆಯೊಳಗಿರಿಸಿ ನರರಂಧ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಮರುಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದನ ರಾಮ ಜನಕಾತ್ಮಜೇ ಜಾಣಿಯಲ್ ನರಸಿಯೇ
never bear this sorrow. With all trust and hope, you remained in the clutches of this cruel Ravana, the city of Lanka. But now what do I see? Blood is oozing, which means all my efforts are in vain. What a sad end for you, oh my princess. Born in Mithila and also grown in Ayodhya. Now in this place you are pleased, you are lost. How can that be? Vibhishana, Hanuma, Jambava, efforts are in vain. No more battle. Let's go back. You go back. I'm sorry, my lord. I am sorry for this Rama. Look at my I could not save my mother. I'm sorry, my lord.
ದೇವನಿ ಈ ತೆರದಿ ಮರುಗನು
Why this trip?
ದೇವನಿ ಈ ತೆರದಿ ಮರುಗನು ವಿಭೀಷಣನೆಂದ
Listen to me, my lord.
ದೇವಿ ಜಾನಕಿಯಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮವರ ಕಪಟ ಇದು
Yes, my lord.
ದೇವಿ ಜಾನಕಿಯಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮವರ ಕಪಟವಿದು ದೇವಾದಿದೇವ ನರನಾಟಕವ ನಡೆಸಿ ದುಃಖಿಸಲಾಗಿ ಈ ಕಪಟ ಸತಿಗೆ ದೇವಾದಿದೇವ ನರನಾಟಕವ ನಡೆಸಿ ದುಃಖಿಸಲಾಗೆ ಈ ಕಪಟ ಸತಿಗೆ
Why this trip?
ಆ ಆ ಆ ಆ
Control yourself. Control yourself. I am astonished to see your behavior
Look at my Sita.
like an ordinary man. My lord, don't I know your greatness and your majesty? I consider you as the incarnation of that Lord Mahavishnu and Sita as Mahalakshmi herself. Then, how is it possible for that Indrajitu to touch and kill her? My lord, I am fully confident that what you see in front is not Sita. This is the art of sorcery played by Indrajitu. He has created an aura of illusion with the help of art of jugglery. We demon as a class are master magicians. Oh my lord, do you still doubt me?
Vibhishana, I won't believe you. I know my Sita. Since this morning, I am in total confusion. Which is reality, which is illusion, you say. She is not Sita, but I say she is my Sita.
My lord,
How do I believe you?
I am also an expert in the art of sorcery. I can clear all your doubts. The moment I test this Sita, if she gets up and disappears, then she is not the real Sita. See, here I am going to test her now. Lord, Sri Ramachandra,
You are right.
listen to me, listen to me. Now,
But Vibhishana,
huh?
I am in total confusion since this morning. Is this real? Or what else? What you are saying is real? I can't believe. I can't believe. I have lost my Sita.
My Lord Sri Ramachandra, listen to me. I can give you a suggestion to clear all your doubts. You can send your devotee Hanuman now itself to to Ashokavana and reconfirm it.
And
that
I am
the
ready.
Sri
I will do so.
Sri-
Tell me the truth. I will believe.
Don't worry, my lord.